What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in today's video, I'm finally going to be installing the full exhaust, the Yoshimura full exhaust on the Honda Grom, and let's hop into getting it installed. Alright, so to remove the exhaust, it is one 12mm, and then there's two 12mm on the head, one on the other side, and then a bolt in the middle. It's a 12mm too. So start with the header bolts, this bolt, and then the middle bolt. So I'm gonna get to that right now. Perfect. And the bolt on the back has a nut on the back, so just make sure you loosen the nut. And just like that, exhaust is off. Make sure you keep all your stock hardware. That bolt in the middle was a pain in the butt, but just use my big impact for it. The other three were easy. And now I'm gonna go grab the Yoshi exhaust. Alright, here's the exhaust. Got the header. Springs, spring puller, mid pipe, and the canister. Beautiful. I'm gonna get everything out of the plastic and then start assembling it. And make sure you still have your gasket on the where the header connects. Alright, so what I've done is just loosely bolted up to the header bolted up there. Got the middle pipe bolted down loosely, that way I can move it around. And then we're going to put the canister on next. And then once you line the canister up with where it needs to go, you can start bolting everything down. Alright, like that, the canister's on, everything's still loose. That way you can maneuver it wherever you need it. And when you do the two bolts, the header bolts, make sure you do a little on each one. Just don't do one and then the other one, because you might bend it. So just go slowly on both of them. I'm gonna get that done right now. Alright, and once everything's tight, you're gonna want to torque all four bolts down to 18 foot-pounds. Make sure you cap this bung off. So the smaller spring out of the two goes right there. If you can see it, it's kind of hard to see, but it goes from the canister to the mid pipe. And then the bigger spring out of the two, this one's gonna be hard to see, goes from the header to the mid pipe. I know it's hard to see. If you can see it at all. But yeah, that's where the springs go. And just use the spring puller, it's easy. Alright, there it is installed. Small bore life, Yoshimura. Everything's tightened down. One last thing you want to do before you start the bike is clean off the whole exhaust with alcohol, like some kind of alcohol rub, you know, just to clean it so your grease from your fingers and all that's not on there. But to get the first startup with this thing on, and the baffle is still in there, which I'll probably take out if it's too quiet. Definitely sounds a lot better. Don't know if the camera's picking it up, but man, this thing is beautiful. Alright, before I give it some revs, I'm going to let it do the little bacon. I think it's about 5 minutes, they say on Yoshimura, so I'm going to let that, and I'll come and rev it for you guys. Alright, I gave it some time to just do the burn-in period, and now I'm going to get you guys some revs real quick. Alright, this is where I'm going to end the video, but if you have any questions or you just want to leave a comment, go ahead and leave it down below. And if you would please like, comment, and subscribe, I'd appreciate it so much. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.